Hello everyone, and welcome to Inspired Woodworks, where I create a whole wide variety of both familiar and custom designs out of the most exotic and recognizable wood species that money can buy. So what the process goes like is I get a slab of wood, I cut it, make it squared, I carve out a design onto the piece of wood, I apply either a stain or I paint it by hand. I then sand it down, and then once that is all done, I put a layer of walrus oil, which basically rejuvenates the whole wood and gives it a very natural and very bright feel to the piece of wood, so that it is sealed and protected from any of the elements or any things that may or may not get in contact with the piece that you choose to put on your wall. I am the independent artist that has created all the pieces that you see here on the wall that are in the shop, and there are many more other designs that I've made that are not on the wall, but you can check out on my website at inspiredwoodworks.shop. Be sure to give it a look. Don't feel pressured to buy anything, but if you do, I'll gladly ship it out all myself. I'm the sole one running this operation, and I greatly appreciate you for stopping by and giving us a check out. You can also check me out on Twitch at UberTrippy. Be sure to also check out my Facebook page at Inspired Woodworks. You should be able to find it. It has the same logo as the one that you'll see in the back right behind me with white and black text. I also have the ability to create any custom designs that you may have, whether it's pictures of your pets, family members, or just designs that you'd wish me to create that you think would look cool on a piece of wood that you may have drawn up yourself or found on the internet. To contact me, go below at the very bottom of the site and click on the contact, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Either hours or a couple of days, I'll be sure. It depends how busy I am, but I'll be sure to get back as soon as possible because every customer matters a lot to me. I thank you very much. And right after this, you'll see a compilation of me showing you all around the shop all the current carvings I made so far, and you'll be able to see the CNC machine that I use to carve each and every single one of these before I put the finishing process onto every single art piece that I've made thus far. Thank you very much again, and check out my website for the very last time, inspiredwoodworks.shop, not .com. inspiredwoodworks.shop. Have a great one.
草的木苗解答。